Hi, this video is about cd command in Stata. Cd stands for change directory, which you can use to change the current working directory in Stata. Stata for Windows, syntax is very simple. Windows users can use drive name while using cd. On the other hand, Mac users and Unix users can't write a drive name since there are no drives in Mac. So here are a few examples. In the first example, if you want to move inside Hope folder, which is currently present in your current folder, you can use cd space name of that folder Hope. If you want to move out of the current folder, you can use cd space 2 dots. And if you want to move to the root directory of your drive, you can use cd space backslash with space. First, to check the current working directory in Stata, type cd without space, without any argument after it, and Stata will tell you the current working directory in which you are in. Currently I am inside C drive. So to move inside a folder named Stata, cd space name of that folder, enter. Now currently Stata shows me that I am inside Stata folder of C drive. If you want to move out of this Stata folder, cd space 2 dots, enter. Now I am out of the Stata drive, Stata folder. There is a special case. If your folder name contains space, see, there is a folder inside dataset, Stata folder, dataset, which contains space. Now if I write cd space dataset, Stata will report an error, invalid syntax, because your folder name contains space, and whenever your folder name contains space, you need to use double quotes. Data set. So I've successfully moved in the dataset folder inside Stata. Now if I want to move out to the root drive, to the root directory, cd space backslash. Windows users can switch drives. To switch drive in Stata, you can use cd space drive name followed by colon. So this was all about cd command in Stata.